After graduating high school in 2007, I made the decision to go to college, and I couldn't really afford to, and nobody was paying for it for me, so I threw myself into debt whenever I did this, and it's something that I'm still dealing with today. At the same time, I also discovered content creators, and this was super early days of this. Now it's 1 out of 10 people or 1 out of 20 or 50 people are a content creator. But back then it was basically unheard of. Like, the term influencer was nowhere even near being coined or anything. I just followed one of my favorite YouTubers at the time named Philip DeFranco and thought, wow, that's really cool. He's just doing his thing, like, he's just making videos and he's doing well with it. He's making money, supporting himself, and who doesn't want to make art or create and get paid for it? Ever since then, this has always been a thought in the back of my mind of what I wanted to do. And flash forward to now, I have barely paid any money on that debt, just for kind of an out of sight, out of mind sort of thing. And I've made literally countless YouTube channels, all in an attempt to try and figure out what I wanted to do, thinking I could do it, in one shot. It was just going to be like instant success, and that's not how it works. Eventually these are now abandoned YouTube channels because I felt like I wasn't doing my best work and I wanted to wait until I was ready. I didn't have the right niche picked out. I just wasn't good on camera. All of these things that kept me from just doing it. So here we are today. This has been a great year for me so far. I feel like with each one of these videos, even though some are a little thrown together or not quite as what I envisioned, with each one of these videos I'm learning about myself and kind of what I want to do, and that's really the goal. I'm just super thankful for all of you watching. This isn't going to be a typical kind of like more elaborate video that I've been doing, because the one that I had actually planned, it was through work and I found out I wasn't actually allowed to post it, so here we are. I did a workshop tonight, at work actually, and the workshop was about creating a memoir, and after brainstorming there in the session, I came up with this little, kind of blurb that I essentially just told you. It's just about not giving up, not viewing all of my past endeavors as failures so much as just progress towards where I am today. And like I said, these past several weeks of videos have just been so triggering to me, because it's like not what you're supposed to do to try to become a content creator successfully. You're supposed to pick a niche. You're supposed to, really have everything honed in and actively just do it all, everything towards that target market. But I'm not ready there. I'm not ready yet. I'm not there yet. I'm just making content for myself, sticking with my goal, and the more I do this, I know the more I'm going to find my purpose in discovering who my true fans are that I will be catering towards. Thanks again for watching, everyone.